Hey guys, good morning. Remember the other day I did a video, went to the junkyard, and it was like 45 degrees or something. I'm back at the junkyard. This time I'm at Pull Apart here in Winston up on Patterson, and it's actually colder. It's 34 degrees. What the hell am I doing out here? I ask that often, I guess, but yeah, it's flipping cold. But as I said, I need some stuff. I want to keep money coming in. It's Christmas time. Extra money would definitely help. So here we are. Thought I'd take a quick trip up. Yeah, holy hell, it's cold. So as I'm walking around, I just came across this old Subaru, and I thought I'll just look at it, just check it out. Had the Postal Service magnet on there. Right-hand drive. That's kind of neat. You know, you never know what you're going to find at the junkyard. And I guess that's what kind of keeps me coming back. You know, that and the tens of dollars that I make doing this. Literally tens of dollars. Oh my God, it's cold. So, walking around here, and there's this guy up in Canada who I got some ideas from. One of which was a Subaru little clock up here, dash clock, and he's selling them, and I can't really remember what he was paying for them or what he was selling them for. But I thought if I ever find one, if I can get out without breaking, never done this before. All right, well, that didn't work out. If I ever find one, I'll try to get it and see if I can make some money on that. But it's so dang cold that just broke. I mean, I know it's old as well, but that sucked. Let's keep looking. So far, I am striking out again, which sucks because when you're this cold, this miserable, well, that's not fun. But, you know, the junkyard, even though I'm not finding what I'm hoping for, it's still cool, it's still interesting, and you should look and find some neat things, like this old EF hatch. If you're into, like, you know, tuner cars, sport compact cars of the mid-late 90s or early 2000s, the EF was a staple. Late 80s to the very early 90s, they're boxy, they're kind of clunky as far as like the design of them, but man, they're just cool. And you know, you never see this stuff anymore, and so whenever I do see this in a junkyard, something like this, I really dig it. It's just, to me, it's really neat, and a little time capsule, if you will, from that time. That was redundant, sorry. Well, that's cool. I didn't know these windows popped out like that. Very neat. Anyway, like I said, I'm kind of striking out again, but you know, it's all good. I'm empty-handed, guys. Yeah. So, $1 down. That's 2 trips in a row with nothing. That Civic EF had a cluster hood. I looked at it. It's already out. But sorry guys, I am cold. But I mean, honestly, it's just, they wanted like 20 bucks for it. Looking online, it's just, I don't know that it's worth $20. So passed on that, and that's it. I mean, you know, again, I had the video the other day, sometimes you strike out, but the thing is look around, see what's there, find some cool stuff from your younger days. Yeah, and have fun. I mean, I was cold as crap today. I still had a good time. It's worth the $1 admission, I guess, right? Y'all take care. Hopefully next time I can have something better for you.